Good morning, Belize, and good morning. I say good morning, Belize, and good morning. And how are you this morning?
This morning, we are back at Gladden Spit to search for whale sharks. Since this is our next to the last day to search for whale sharks, we want to make sure we make the most of our chances to see and document all the whale sharks we can. So we decide to split up. I dive underwater with the video camera, while Karen swims overhead with the still camera. As soon as I descend under the surface, down below, I see a whale shark swimming by. Unfortunately, this whale shark is so deep and so far away, I cannot get good identifying images of it to tell if this was a shark that we've seen previously. Unfortunately, this was our first and last whale shark of the day. On the second dive, we saw Jack. Literally. This school of fish was here called Jack. They're about 18 inches long. Jack are here not like whale sharks who feed on the spawn of the snappers. These jacks are looking for small bait fish. These jacks, by having lots of eyes looking in various directions, can very easily, or more easily, spot prey or predators. Well, after swimming with the jack, near the end of the second dive, we have a surprise. One of the Atlantic bottlenose dolphins comes by to check us out again. Swims quickly by one of our divers, and then, bored, apparently, swims away. Well, tomorrow is our last dive with the whale sharks, so join us again and find out what this last dive looks like and what the grand finale may be.